Welcome back to another episode of Tech Unpacked. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of image synthesis with a focus on a groundbreaking framework called Sana. Imagine being able to create stunning, high-resolution images at lightning speed right from your laptop. Sounds cool, right? So what exactly is Sana? It's a state-of-the-art text-to-image framework designed to generate images up to a whopping 4096 by 4096 resolution. But it's not just about resolution, it's about doing all of this efficiently. Picture a tool that can create high-quality images while aligning closely with the text description you provide. And the best part? You don't need a supercomputer to run it. You can deploy it on a 16GB laptop GPU, and it can generate a 1024 by 1024 image in under a second. How amazing is that? It's all thanks to a few key innovations that make Sana special. First up, there's this thing called DCAE, or Deep Compression Autoencoder. Unlike traditional methods that might compress images by a factor of 8, Sana's approach allows for a much deeper compression of 32 times. That's a game changer for speeding up processes without drastically losing quality. Another significant aspect is the linear diffusion transformer, which replaces traditional attention mechanisms with a linear approach. This means that as we deal with those larger resolutions, we don't sacrifice image quality. So, those intricate details you see? Yup, they're still there. Now, let's talk about the text encoding. Sana utilizes a decoder-only small language model as its text encoder. This is a bit technical, but in plain terms, it enhances the alignment between the instruction you give and the image that gets generated, making the system truly responsive to your prompts. It's like adding a pinch of human intuition into the machine's creative process. Also worth mentioning is the Flow DPM solver, which is like a turbocharger for the image generation process. It reduces the number of sampling steps needed to get to a high-quality output. I mean, who wouldn't want faster results, right? Moving on, recent updates have only made Sana even more appealing. For instance, with the introduction of 8-bit quantization, the models now require significantly less memory for inference. This means you can create high-resolution images even with lower hardware requirements, perfect for aspiring digital artists or creators on a budget. Now here's something to chew on. In a recent comparison, Sana 0.6b outpaced some of the established giants in this field, being 20 times smaller and over 100 times faster than its counterparts. So, if quality and speed matter to you, and let's be honest, who doesn't want that? Sana might just be the next tool you should explore. Before we wrap up, I want to throw out a thought-provoking question. With technology like Sana, what do you think the future holds for digital art? Are we heading toward a world where traditional methods fade out, or will they evolve hand in hand with these advanced tools? Remember, technology is constantly evolving, and tools like Sana are shaping how we create and interact with digital media. If you're curious about getting started with Sana, be sure to check its model zoo and the easy-to-follow guides that lay everything out step by step. Thanks for tuning in today. Join us again next time as we continue to explore technological innovations that are redefining our world. Keep creating, and until next time, stay curious.